Forget everything you think you know about solid objects. That gold bar sitting in a vault somewhere? To us, it looks dense, permanent, unchanging. But zoom in far enough, and it becomes something else entirely. A shimmering, shifting, living universe, governed by rules so strange, they break your brain. Today, we are riding the Nano Elevator all the way down to the atomic heart of solid gold. And nothing down there looks the way you expect. The first thing that disappears as we descend is the surface itself. That smooth, polished face blurs, then dissolves. What replaces it is a vibrating lattice of gold ions, humming with thermal energy. The predictable world of classical physics fades into the hazy, probabilistic fog of quantum mechanics. Down here, particles don't sit in one fixed location. They exist as waves of probability. The solid ground has dissolved into a shimmering, energetic grid. This already breaks everything you learned in school. Push deeper, and we hit something that looks like chaos. A seething cloud surrounds us. Not fire or gas. This is the electron sea. Gold's outermost electrons aren't locked to any single atom. They break free, flowing through the entire crystal. This is why gold conducts electricity so brilliantly. But here's the part that should stop you cold. Those electrons are moving over 1 million meters per second, right now. Inside every gold object you've ever touched. The stillness of solid gold is a complete illusion, hiding an inner universe of mind-bending velocity. Now, why is gold the color gold? The answer involves something you would never expect inside a chemistry problem. Einstein's special theory of relativity. Gold's 79 protons generate an immense positive charge. That charge pulls inner electrons into orbit at a fraction of the speed of light. Relativistic effects kick in. They shrink the energy gap the outermost electrons need to jump. Because that gap is smaller, the electron sea absorbs blue and violet light more easily. When a material absorbs blue light, it reflects the reds and yellows. That reflected light is what your eyes read as gold. Without special relativity, gold would be silver, completely unremarkable. This effect also explains gold's legendary resistance to corrosion, born from the physics of objects moving near the speed of light. Now, there is something even stranger. For decades, it existed only as theory. Now, physicists are mapping it for the first time. It is called quantum geometry. It does not describe the distance between atoms. It describes the shape of electron wave functions themselves. By firing precise beams of light at gold to measure the electrons knocked loose, scientists reconstruct the quantum metric. A map not of atoms, but of pure information. A hidden landscape of probability. We are no longer traveling through matter. We are traveling through geometry itself. Shrink further, below 2 nanometers. The rules change again. The electron sea gets squeezed into discrete energy levels. Tiny clusters of gold atoms stop behaving like collections of atoms and start behaving like single, giant atoms. Superatoms. Stable only at specific magic numbers. And recently, researchers discovered something nobody predicted. These clusters do not always grow into spheres. Under the right conditions, they form pencil-shaped structures. Gold quantum needles, just a few atoms wide, that respond precisely to near-infrared light. The kind of light that passes through human tissue, opening doors to biomedical imaging at scales unimaginable a decade ago. We have traveled from a familiar solid object into a realm where relativity governs color. Electrons move faster than any bullet. Geometry becomes landscape, and gold grows into needles a few atoms thick. The gold bar has not changed. Your understanding of it has. What other familiar objects are hiding a universe inside them? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this descent expanded your world, subscribe. We go deeper every week.